kids, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to read Snowstorm. So, are you ready to listen to this story? Then let's start. Snowstorm. It's getting cold outside. The wind is blowing. There's a nip in the air. Jamal and Isha run into the house. They get their coats. They come back outside. White flakes begin to fall. Jamal and Isha open their mouth. They catch snow on their tongue. The snow begins to fall fast. It falls faster and faster. The snow gets deep. It gets deeper and deeper. The winds blow harder. It's getting colder and colder. Jamal and Isha go into the house. It feels good to be warm. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Then, see you on next video. Goodbye.